Let's learn colors across the lands. Red is the apple, shiny and sweet. Red are the cherries, yummy to eat. Red is the rose in the garden bed. Wave your hands if you love red. Yellow is the sun, smiling so high. Yellow is the star that twinkles in the sky. Yellow bananas, yummy and mellow. Clap your hands for the color yellow. Blue is the ocean, deep and wide. Blue is the sky with clouds that glide. Blue are the birds flying two by two. Everybody shout, we love blue. Grass where we run and play. Green are the trees that dance all day.